Hello friends, my name is Leigh and I create videos about photography as an art and as a lifestyle. Today I am headed out for a photo outing where I plan to do a sunset time lapse in the very hot desert, and I'm bringing you all along with me. First though, I am packing everything that I might need, including the Small Rig Everyday Carry or EDC Pro Kit. Small Rig reached out to me about this EDC Pro Kit for creators. The point here is that no matter the camera or lens you use, no matter what type of project you're working on, this is a set of useful items that will support you. Ran out of battery? No problem. Need some light? Got it. How about an Allen wrench? Got that too. So of course I wanted to work together on this. I love the idea of a kit with this many useful items that just all comes in one. Plus, I think you all will be interested. So thank you to Small Rig for sponsoring this video. I will show you each item in the kit as I pack and as we go through the evening. The first thing to show you is the backpack that's in the kit. I am packing everything into this Ultra 25 camera backpack from Small Rig. This is a big, beautifully made backpack with a ton of flexibility to configure it for your needs. If you like a lot of pockets, this is your pack. There are so many places to keep your stuff organized the way that you want. I will open up the main compartment first. You actually can get into the pack a few ways, but fully opening up the back is how to gain the most access and how I'm going to pack it. Small Rig did a couple of things that surprised me here, and they're both designed to keep your gear in place when you're moving around. First, there is a baffle panel with a small Velcro strip that ensures that all of your gear stays put when you open the bag. You can open this section by section so that nothing falls out. Second, each of those movable horizontal sections has a lip on it, again, so that your stuff doesn't fall out when you open up the bag. It's so clever. What am I putting in here though? I am planning a sunset time lapse, like I said before, but I also want to bring a camera to use for some stills while I wait. I'm going for a couple of camera bodies and a few lenses so that I have options. The bag comes with plenty of dividers to customize the pack for each outing, and that all fits perfectly. Plus, I'm bringing my GoPro and mini tripod for filming some behind the scenes clips for the video that I made for channel members this week. By the way, channel members, your exclusive video this week is behind the scenes of this project. I share more in detail of how I set up the cameras for this outing, like my precise settings for the time lapse and for the stills, and how I chose the location and the framing of the time lapse. You can learn more about channel membership by clicking the join button or at the link in the description. I've left the top section open to be where I put my wallet and my chapstick and such. To further organize your stuff, the pack comes with a few pouches that can be carried in different ways. You could put them on your belt or the hip belt of the pack, or stick them to the interior of the pack with Velcro, or just drop them anywhere in here. There are also so many loops on the exterior of the pack that you could clip them on that way as well. I'm also putting one of the pouches with some of the other things from the EDC Pro Kit in this top section. I've got the memory card case with extra memory cards, always a good idea to have. The 16-in-1 pocket tool, because you know what, you never know what you're gonna run into. This one is perfect because it has photographer-specific tools included, like 4 different sizes of Allen wrenches and a flathead, and the pliers, scissors, and knife are just always must-haves. This is the S70 wireless microphone. This is amazing because it has 2 lavalier mics and a receiver that plugs into my phone. I will be using it to record audio for the member exclusive video on the trail with it. And then the flashlight. I love how small this is. It has a clip on it and you can point the light in different directions, and it even can do different colors. I will definitely need this just to use for packing up and getting back to the car post sunset. I need to add the tripod. This is also in the EDC Pro Kit. This is the CT10 aluminum tripod. It has a ball head on it, the plate is ARCA compatible, and you can unscrew one of the legs to use as a monopod with or without the ball head. And it fits into the side pocket on the pack. One cool thing here on the pack is that the strap that holds the tripod to the side of the pack, it isn't a normal clip. It has a magnet in it, so it's easy to take apart and put back together. That's just really handy when you're out on the trails and trying to get stuff done. Now to get this thing on, there are load lifter straps at the top and it has a removable waist belt. I'm definitely using the belt today because it helps further reduce the load on my shoulders. I have quite a lot in here, so I appreciate the help, and I'm going to be hiking for at least a mile or two, so very nice. And the last thing in the kit is this power bank. I am going to clip it onto the side of the pack, and I will certainly be needing it to charge up my GoPro or my phone, so let's go. And just like that, it's time to pack up. Everything goes back into the backpack, except the Small Rig flashlight. We're using that on me right now. One more big thank you to Small Rig for sponsoring this video. You can find the EDC Pro Kit at the link in the description of this video. It is a thoughtful collection of items, and they each live up to what I've come to expect from all of the Small Rig items that I've used in the past. They are all simply high quality, useful things. And who doesn't appreciate that? It is time for us to hike back to the car, definitely using the flashlight because it's dark out. Thank you for watching.